Hello guys, this is Muntasir Rahman and today I am coming back to you with another crayfish video. This video will be on a very interesting topic, and that is, do crayfish eat their babies? I know it sounds very rude, but it is actually true. Yes, crayfish eats their babies. In the wild they do this. Crayfishes are not very good parents, and if you want to breed crayfish and make more crayfish, then you will have to do the take care. You will have to be the mother, okay, for the babies, because the mom crayfish will not take care of the babies for long. Let me tell you how the process occurs. The mom develops eggs with time when she gets sexually matured, but these eggs stay unfertilized. Now, when the female crayfish and the male crayfish mates, the male crayfish stores a sperm pack inside the female crayfish. Now, this sperm pack is very important for breeding because this is what makes the unfertilized eggs fertilized. If the eggs stay unfertilized, then the mom crayfish will just shed the unfertilized eggs and eat them, and no babies will come out of it. So as I have said, the sperm pack is very important. After mating, what the female crayfish do is it passes her eggs through the sperm pack and stores them under her tail. Throughout this way, the eggs get fertilized, and with time, about after 3-4 weeks, depending on the subspecies, the crayfish, the eggs hatch and turn into baby crayfishes. Now, just after hatching, the baby crayfish can't move around or swim around on their own. They still depend on their mom, and what they will do is they will just lurk around under her tail, under the mom's tail, and stay under her tail and try to catch floating food particles, other decaying organic matters, and they will eat those. Now, after about a week or so, the babies will start to get independent and they will start to roam around on their own, explore on their own. At this stage, the mom crayfish can eat their babies. I know it sounds very rude, but it is true. The mom crayfish can eat their babies at this stage. So, if you are serious about breeding your crayfish and growing your crayfish babies, then at this stage you will have to separate the mom from the baby crayfishes. So yeah, crayfishes eat their babies. You will have to be okay with it. You will have to what can I say, make peace with this. Crayfishes eat their babies. I know when I first heard this, it just awed me, like why a mom will eat her babies, but I think that's how nature works, and we'll just have to be be peaceful with this thing. So that's it for today, guys. Crayfish eats their babies. I hope you have found the video interesting, and if you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thank you.